Here at Stars Plastic Surgery, we have saline implants, we have silicone implants. Patients will ask what's the difference between the two. And really, I mean, it's all a matter of preference. I mean, the saline implants, if you were to have a leak, you would know right away because it's kind of like a deflated tire. Silicone, maybe not so much. You wouldn't really know that you have a leak. As far as like the feeling goes, people who have silicone implants do tend to claim that they feel like it's more of a realistic feel. As far as silicone implants that we have 3 different feels. We have, and it's based on like the fluidity of the gel itself. And so these are in fact our gummy implants. When you hear about gummy, it's really just silicone. And we have one that's a little bit more fluid. Think of it as like a gummy bear in your pocket, and it kind of gets like it melts a little bit. Think of fluidity in that sense. And then we have another one that's a little bit more firm than the first one. And so think of that as a gummy bear that's left out in room air, and you can still squish it and it's still feeling like, nice and soft and realistic when compared to like a breast. But that's typically like the most popular one, because the one above that is a little bit more firmer, and you would want to think of a gummy bear left in the refrigerator. So it's firm, it's hard. It still feels realistic, but I guess depending on point of preference, again, how firm you want your breasts, or if you want them, to be a little bit more malleable, then that would help you make the best decision. And so when you're picking your implants, then you have different projections. You have like a low profile, you have a moderate profile, and you have a full profile. And your low profile is going to be more of like that nice, it's going to have like a slope up on top of the breast pole, and it's going to have like a teardrop bottom. The moderate, think of it as not just a slope, but maybe a little bit more of fullness on your upper pole. And it'll round out in the bottom as well. Then you have full profile, which has more of a round. It starts off a little bit more round up on top, and then it's got the overall round profile again. But you do have those 3 choices that a lot of patients, it makes a huge impact on the overall look that you're going for, to pick the profile for the look that you're wanting.